Hey guys, Tyler here from GarageWarrior.com, and I had a great question about somebody who had an L4, L5 break when they were 14 years old. So they cracked their vertebrae. So you can imagine these things. They cracked that thing, and then they went back together. And so they have some back troubles. And the question is, how can I avoid back pain because I have this injury? And so if you have a back injury, I'm going to hopefully address this in such a way that it's useful for you as well. And so with back pain, one of the things that we have to realize is that you're not going to be capable of doing a lot of the mobility spinal exercises as I would recommend to people who don't have a back injury, okay? So you may avoid things like the spinal circles and side bends and bridging and stuff like that unless you're with somebody who can really watch you progress through it and you never go to 100%. So with bridging, things like that, you want to avoid 100%. You want to go to like 60%. And over time progress. A very long time, I should add. But if you have a back injury like that, there's a good chance that that may not benefit you in the long run. So our goal is to stay one piece. And what I mean by stay one piece is, if you look at it from a side view, from my tailbone to the top of my head, I want it to be one piece. It doesn't matter if I'm doing presses or push-ups or rows or pull-ups or one-arm presses or deadlifts or anything. As you do this exercise, stay one piece. So teach your body to stabilize your pelvis, your spine, and your head in one piece. And that will prevent that back injury and help you perform better during your workouts. So what I do with people with back problems is I work on basic stuff like Romanian deadlifts, single leg Romanian deadlifts, shoulder bridge lifts where their spine is still in good alignment in the top position, tabletop lifts with your arms behind you, you bring your hips up, right? I focus on these things so that they can strengthen their posterior chain, those spinal erectors, those two muscles that go up and down your spine like that, and work on maintaining that stable position so they don't arch back or move from side to side. I watch them like a hawk and I make sure stomach stays tight, glutes stay tight, spinal erectors stay tight, that inner core unit stays tight. By jamming my thumbs down into their internal obliques and having them push out against it, right? So if you want to reduce back pain during your workouts and get rid of it overall, like 100%, learn how to move with a stable torso from your pelvis all the way to the top of your head, even your shoulder blades, all right? That will help you get rid of that low back pain. That will help it so you can actually move in your daily life without causing more back pain. And that is what I would do if you were my personal client. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you dig it, click the like button right there. Help me spread the Warrior message. Otherwise, you can go to GarageWarrior.com where I teach you how to improve your workouts and live the Warrior lifestyle. Thanks for watching.